Meaning of desktop.
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 Desktop. The term desktop refers to the main graphical user interface of a computer operating system. It is typically represented by a series of icons that are arranged on a virtual desktop, which users can interact with by clicking or double-clicking on them. The purpose of the desktop is to provide users with an easy-to-use and organized way to access their most frequently used files, applications, and settings. Desktops are common in both personal and business computing environments and have become an essential tool for productivity and workflow management.